built from a dream that a young man had after traveling the far east. Your biggest Oriental store is here. Think Himalayan big, with over 10,000 products and growing, covering the vast Silk Road, all of Asia. From them to you, discover new and interesting things. Master craftsmanship.
Hey guys, I'm Patrick Chitwood, the young man from the video. First of all, I want to thank you for watching this video. I hope what I'm building is as special to you, just as it is to me from my personal experience. I have 4 things I want to say really quick. Number 1, please subscribe because I'm going to be posting my personal videos from when I was in China when I was 17 and when I was in Vietnam in 2017. We'll be doing skits, Oriental destruction, as well as podcasts on our struggles that we go through in my unique business. Number 2, like this video because you're awesome for thinking this is awesome. Share this video to anyone that you think likes Oriental things or the Far East so that way they can enjoy this content as well. Number 4, comment anything that you would like to see me or my business do. Thanks again, and hopefully I'll see you in the community.